2016 BMW 330e plug-in hybrid. BMW has buried the 7.6 kWh lithium-ion battery pack beneath the cargo floor, while the electric motor resides up front, so the weight distribution moves from 50 hours 50 minutes to 49 hours 51 minutes, leaving it a touch heavier in the back. Effectively, it's a 3 Series with the 320i's 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder gasoline powertrain, the standard 8-speed automatic transmission, and an electric motor sandwiched in between to create a hybrid. The electric motor adds 87 horsepower to the gas engine's 181 horsepower to offer 248 horsepower of total power. Yes, we know they don't directly add up, but that's the total output.